Hello guys, how's it going? In this video, we're gonna know how to learn English effectively. The upcoming steps will help you learn English, but you have to check if you follow me first. Listen to native speakers. 5 minutes a day will do the trick. Try shadowing. Try to imitate native speakers by repeating after them. Practice speaking English every day, even if you speak to yourself. Learn 5 words a day and add them to your speech. Learn English phonics because that enables you to read and to understand how natives pronounce words. Start reading English. 2 pages a day are enough. Learn grammar because grammar helps you compose correct sentences and meaningful speech. Start writing. If you write just a 6-line paragraph a day describing your daily routine, your writing skills will be improved. Congratulations! You've learned English as you learned your mother tongue. Okay guys, that's all. Make sure to like this video and have a good time.